Okay, so another method in solving is the Gaussian elimination. So this consists of forward elimination and backward substitution. So in our example, same example, we have this matrix and then we are to find for the values of x1, x2, and x3, and we have the values of b. So for Gaussian elimination, we have two components, the forward elimination and backward substitution. So forward elimination, this will mean that we just have to eliminate components in our matrix. So in our case, we have to eliminate this one para maging 0 siya, and this 2 here. So para yung linear equation natin is magiging tatlong unknown values, dalawang unknown values, and isang unknown values dito. Where is my red ballpen? Okay, example. Ito na lang. So we just have to make this as 0. So basically, yung ginawa natin kanina is row operations. So pwede nating gawin yun. So alam niyo na yung row operations. So susulat ko lang yung matrix in augmented form. We have 2, -1, 3, -1, 2, -5. We have 3, 0, 2, and we have the values of b here. We have 3, 1, and 1. Okay, so gagawin natin is row operation. So we have to transform this one into 0 by using guiding equations once again. So our guiding equation will be row 1 plus 2 row 2, because 2 plus -2, that will be 0. And for row 3, we have row 1 plus 2/3 row 3. Pwede din natin gawing 3 row 1 plus 2 row 3. Yan. Pwede din gawing ganyan. So, depende na sa inyo kung saan kayo mas comfortable. Okay, so we have to manipulate yung row. So, we will arrive with 2, -1, 3, and 3. Row 1 will be unchanged. And then, by computation, we can arrive to 0, 3, 3, and 5. And this, we have 0, 7/3, 5/3, and 7/3. Ayan, so. And then, next, eto na yung gagawin nating 0 by basing it sa row 2. So, pwede natin gawing 7 row 2 minus 9 row 3. Pwede din natin sabihin row 2 minus 9/7 row 3. So, by computation, we can arrive to 2, -1, 3. We have 3. Then we have 0, 3, 3, and 5. We have 0, 0, 6/7, and 2. Ayan. So, yan yung forward elimination. Na-eliminate natin yung 2 terms doon sa dalawang equations. And then, backward substitution naman, it just means that substitution, isa-substitute na natin yung values. So, we now have 3 linear equations. We have from here we have 2x1 minus 1, x2 plus 3x3 that is equal to 3. We have now 3x2 plus 3x3 that is equal to 5. And we have 6 over 7x3 is equal to 2. So, with these three equations, pwede na nating ma-solve yung value ng x1, x2, and x3. So, syempre gagamitin natin to kasi yan yung pinakamadaling makuha. So, 6 over 7x3 is equal to 2. Therefore, x3 is equal to 14 over 6 or 7 over 3. So, yan na yung value ng x of 3 natin. And then, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute with this one. So, we have 3x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 5. 3x of 2 plus 3 times 7 over 3 is equal to 5. So, that will cancel. So, we have 3x2 is equal to 5 minus 7. x2 is equal to negative 2 over 3. Ayan. Meron na tayong values ng x of 3 and x of 2. For x of 1 naman, so we can now substitute yung values dyan. We have 2x of 1 minus x of 2 plus 3x of 3 is equal to 3. So, 2x of 1 minus, or rather that will be plus 2/3 plus 3 times 7 over 3, that will become 3. So, once again, cancel yun. We now have 2x1 is equal to 3 minus 7 minus 2/3. And 2x1 is equal to negative 4 minus 2/3. And that will be 3 negative 4 negative 12 minus 2 negative 14 over 3. Of course, ayan, di-divide natin siya with 2. That will be negative 7 over 3. Okay. So, this is now the value of our x of 1. So, by substitution, we got x of 3 first, then x of 2, and then x of 1. So, therefore, our final answer, we have x of 1 is equal to negative 7 over 3. X of 2 is equal to negative 2/3, and we have x of 3 is equal to 7 over 3. Okay? Let us just compare it with our solution using inverse. Our matrix. Nasaan na yun? Okay, so eto siya. So, negative